Hello dear friends, it's Raif Belfort. In this video I showing how to I cake it and its Ayurvedic benefits. So let's know. Now I cake its woody shell. So I strike now it. It's so hard, almost coconut. Finally I cake it. Its yellowish orange color pulps are very delicious, healthy and aromatic flavor. It's used as Ayurvedic treatment for removing indigestion and others. So dear friends, like and share the video and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook. Thanks for watching.